it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome. Thank you for coming in today for another video. I do appreciate you guys so much. Happy Sunday. And of course, I am always happy to bring you guys another video. And thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. And again, welcome to all of my brand new subscribers. My website is in the description box, sassyover55.com. There are giveaways. It's a skincare site. And everything you want to know about starting a skincare journey is on that website. Please check it out. And so today I have a makeup haul for you guys. I have not done one of these makeup haul in a long time because I don't usually go into a store and buy a whole lot of makeup. I would rather spend the money on skincare products and work on my problem areas, if you know what I mean. So the other day I just swing by and I saw Sephora and I thought, I'm just gonna go in. So we're just gonna see what we got. Anyhow, let's just get started. So let's just start with, oh, it's an empty box. The foundation is here somewhere. It is. And the foundation is from Fenty Beauty. And this is a brand new shade. This is in the shade 360. And I am wearing this on my face today. When Fenty Beauty came out with their foundation, I remember at the time I was in Monte Carlo and I went into the Sephora in Monte Carlo and the girl says, you are 440. Well, of course, Monte Carlo was hot. I was at the beach. I was walking in the sun. And of course, I was a little bit tanned. And anyway, so the 440 was totally fine. And so from 440, I came down to 410, then 400, then 360, I think. It was 360, I'm not quite sure. But it was 385 for the powder. And it was 370 for the powder as well. But because my skin has completely cleared up, I am now in the shade, and I'm going to tell you 360. Here it be. Hope you guys can see that. Shade 360. And this gives me such a beautiful, neutral finishing look, which I really, really, really like, because I don't like to wear foundations that's going to make my neck and my face look a little bit different. Yes, if you have issues around this area, that's totally fine. It's different for everybody. That's not what I'm saying. But this one just matches everything so nicely, all the way down to a shade 360. I cannot believe how much my skin has changed. Unbelievable. And of course, I went in with my Naggy face powder. This is a C10 warm yellow. Perfect combination. Absolutely love it. And I'm going to come back and do a makeup look for you guys using this foundation from Miss Fenty Beauty. And again, shade number 360. And it fits totally fine. Now this doesn't have any redness to it, any red undertone. It's a completely neutral look. And that is exactly what I like for my makeup. And this is a matte lipstick from Sephora. And this is called Coral Sunset. This is what I'm wearing on my lips today. It's almost like a brick color. I love these shades of lipstick, especially for dark women, for dark skin, going into the fall, going into the summer season. It is a beautiful shade. And here it be. It is so lovely. I really do love these, like I said, these kinds of shades of lipsticks because I think it looks really good on my lips. And this is a lip liner from, I don't know. This is from colored Raine. And I don't know the name of this lip liner. So this is what I actually use with this lipstick today. And I blended this really, really nicely. It is a beautiful finish around the lips. There we go. It looks like it's a dark finish, but when you put it on, it goes on very, very light. And I think both of these work really, really, really well together. Okay. Coral Sunset, and the name of this lip liner from Colored Raine is going to be in the description box for you guys. And so it's just the foundation, the powder. I've got a little eyeshadow on my eyes. This is the mascara from L'Oreal Paris called Panorama. I'm loving this mascara. It is just really giving me some good length. But let's just continue with the haul, right? And then I picked up from Sephora, this is their Brightening Dual Exfoliator. I've tried this before, and I remember when I used this product in the past, it was so good on my skin. Very, very, very gentle exfoliating. And I thought, yes, I am going to repurchase this. Let me see if I can open this quickly for you guys. And there we go. And let me just put a little bit of this on my hand so you can see. And this exfoliator has, so it's right here. Okay, I hope you guys can see that. And it has very, very, very gentle, soft beadings in here. You can barely even feel it. But then when you wash this off your face, guys, trust me when I tell you, your skin will thank you. Your skin will feel so smooth. So, oh my God, my hands, and this was just like not even 2 seconds. Your skin will feel absolutely beautiful, very, very soft. It's going to help remove all of the dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. It's not going to change the pigmentation of your skin, but this is the product right here. I'm going to leave everything in the description box. Again, this is from Sephora. This is the Brightening Dual Exfoliator. Okay, anything that will help to brighten my skin, I am not talking about changing the pigmentation of my skin. I'm talking about evening out all of those dark patchy areas around your face. And also from Sephora, this is the Clean Skin Gel Cleanse and Tone for face, eyes and neck. This is what I am using currently with another cleanser. I like this one. Hope you guys can see. There we go. Okay. This is also a very gentle face cleanser, and you can again use this around your eyes, no problem. And I really have to advise you guys, don't discount the Sephora skincare line. The skincare lines are so good, trust me when I tell you. Next, I have this lip liner from Sephora. I already have one in this shade. I don't remember what the name of it is. It's going to be down below, of course. And it's probably almost up to here. And because I love this so much, I got another shade. And this was the last one that was left. Sorry. And this is the shade right there. Very, very lovely. Beautiful, soft, purple lip liner. It reminds me a little bit of the Mahogany from MAC. And it also reminds me of this lip liner that I got from Primark as well. So it's really, really soft. Don't use it with this shade of lipstick. It's not going to work. So this is really lovely. Again, from Sephora. And last but not least, I do have this lipstick here from MAC. And this is called Marakesh. And it's similar to the one that I'm actually wearing right now. And I think MAC has really changed the formulation of their lipstick. Now look at that. Feast your eyes on this beautiful shade of lipstick. This is absolutely gorgeous. And oh my God. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Very, very, very similar to the one that I'm actually wearing. It's not a dupe or anything, but it is really, really, really close. You can see the difference. This one from MAC has a little bit more of a darker undertone. This is a little bit brighter from MAC. But I'm going to be definitely coming back to share with you guys what these really looks like on. And these are all the goodies I picked up from Sephora. And again, if I'm doing any makeup shopping, it must include some kind of a skincare product. It must include skincare. So I'm going to leave these products in the description box for you guys and let me know which one is your favorite. And again, these are from Sephora, and I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for coming in today and spending a little time with me to share my makeup haul. My name is Odette. Thank you for watching. I shall see you guys next time. Toodles.